Production will be mainly in other countries, and we will do mass production to help cost of materials and production because it can all be done in a short period of time, and buying bulk and ordering materials will save us a lot of money. For ethics, we will try to reduce greenhouse gas production and keep the environment safe. We will also make part of our shoes by hand so that we can cut down on CO2 emissions. Our competition is big brand stores that sell cheap high heels and flat shoes because we are selling our shoes online by ourselves and not putting them in big brand stores. Some of the brands we are competing with are DSW and Hudson's Bay. Both of them sell flat shoes and high heels. We are making both in one so it could be of higher value than having to buy both. Our timeline will consist of phases where we will use social media ads and online ads. These phases consist of Facebook for the start, and then moving to other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and other Google ads as we go.